Still using basic earbuds that just play music? Ever wondered how much more your earbuds could do? Imagine a pair that not only delivers rich, immersive sound, but also blocks out noise, responds to your voice, and syncs effortlessly with your phone. Let's talk about the Google Pixel Buds 2a, Google's smart and stylish answer to truly elevated listening. Let's see if these buds are the ones worth committing to. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the Google Pixel Buds 2a with a wireless charging case, ear tips with 4 size options, and a quick start guide. Want to grab the Google Pixel Buds 2a from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. Smart features? Secure your Pixel Buds 2a in your ears during workouts or commutes with the twist-to-adjust stabilizer. Or twist the other direction for relaxed, all-day comfort. Active noise cancellation with Silent Seal. 1.5 helps block outside noise in your environment, making every song, video, or call crystal clear. It's powered by the Tensor A1 chip and brings pro-level noise cancellation to the A series for the first time. Immerse yourself in clear, crisp audio with redesigned acoustics and an 11mm dynamic speaker driver. And customize the levels of bass, treble, and more with the 5-band equalizer. Inspired by the industry-leading design of Pixel Buds Pro 2, Pixel Buds 2a are built for lightweight comfort and an impeccable fit. With IP54 rated protection, the Pixel Buds 2a can handle everything from sweat during workouts to sudden drizzles, keeping you in your groove without moisture dampening the moment. With active noise cancellation, get up to 7 hours of listening time and 20 hours of total listening time with the charging case. A quick 5-minute charge in the case can add up to 1 hour of listening time. Specifications. How to wear. Your earbuds include 4 ear tip sizes, extra small to large, with medium pre-installed. Test different sizes for the most secure, comfortable fit. Each ear may need a different size for the best seal and sound quality. Insert each earbud into the correct ear, right to right, left to left. The Google logo should face upright. If it's upside down, you've got the wrong ear. Slightly rotate the earbud until it feels comfortable and secure. Each earbud features a stabilizer on the back to keep it secure. Use the twist-to-adjust method, looser when relaxing, tighter for active moments like workouts or runs. The stabilizer and logo positioning may vary depending on your ear shape. After adjusting, move your head side to side and up and down to make sure the earbuds stay securely in place. A proper fit not only improves comfort, but also enhances sound performance and noise isolation. How to connect. Open your phone's settings and enable Bluetooth. This allows your phone to search for and pair with wireless devices. Ensure it's not connected to other Bluetooth audio devices. Open the charging case with the buds inside. Press and hold the pairing button on the back until the LED blinks white. This means your buds are now discoverable to nearby devices. Go to your phone's Bluetooth settings and tap on Pixel Buds 2a from the list. Wait a few seconds for the devices to connect successfully. You may be prompted to confirm or allow access. Tap Pair or OK. Download the Pixel Buds app from the Play Store, Android only. It helps manage settings, touch controls, and firmware updates. Using the app improves your experience and gives more control over the earbuds. How to charge. Gently insert both earbuds into the case until they snap into place. Ensure the charging contacts align properly inside the case. The earbuds will start charging automatically as long as the case has power. The small LED light on the front of the case shows the charging status. A solid white light means fully charged. Pulsing white means charging, and orange indicates low battery. You can close the lid while charging continues inside. Use the USB-C cable to connect the case to a power source. Plug one end into the case and the other into a USB power adapter or port. Charging through a cable is fast and reliable, especially when the case is empty. Place the case on a key-compatible wireless charging pad. Make sure the indicator light turns on to confirm wireless charging has started. This is a convenient method if you prefer a cable-free setup. How to clean. Gently detach the ear tips from your Pixel Buds before cleaning. This allows you to reach hidden areas like the rear vent mesh, microphone mesh, and snout mesh, ensuring a deeper and more effective clean. Use 1 cup of micellar water and 1 cup of regular water. Dip a soft toothbrush in micellar water, then gently brush the meshes in circular motions for about 15 seconds. Blot dry with a paper towel and repeat the process 2 more times. Let the earbuds air dry for up to 2 hours before reattaching the tips. Wipe the case with a lint-free cloth or cotton swab slightly dampened with water to remove dirt or scuff marks. Carefully clean the charging contacts on both the earbuds and the case, ensuring no moisture enters the openings. Always dry completely before placing the earbuds back in the case. Safety precautions. Troubleshooting. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your Google Pixel Buds 2a. See you in the next one.